Hello, I'm biohacker health coach Joe Baines, and welcome to my mini series on Keto Decoded. And today's question is, are there any low carb alternatives to bread and pasta that I can enjoy on keto? So yes, there are. You can use cauliflower rice, you can use quinoa, you can use coconut flour for your cooking. Coconut flour is great because it's very low in carb and it doesn't contain many anti-nutrients. You want to stay away from almond flour, which gets recommended a lot because they contain a lot of oxalates, which are quite bad for you. So especially if you have leaky gut, and if you eat a Western diet, you have leaky gut. And so yeah, so you can use that. Mushrooms are great. You can cut them and slice them in any way you like. And zucchini, noodles, that kind of stuff. So just experiment. Also, you want